Hi, my name is Mike Morelli. I'm the executive manager here at the store. I just want to take a moment to show you our key machine and talk to you a little bit about keys. Keys in a dealership are one of the most important things. They're also one of the most expensive things. And because of that, we have to treat them with as much care and concern and respect as we can. Otherwise, it can be very expensive, not only for the dealership, but yourself personally. Every single key that we have for every single car is housed in this machine right here. All right, and that key, all right, is assigned to a specific tag. And that specific tag is assigned and can only be withdrawn when you log into this machine here. So real quickly, I'm going to show you that I'm going to log in under myself here, okay? And now that I'm in the key machine, okay, any activity that I do from here on out will be logged under my login, all right? And management has the ability to look in here and see when a key was taken or when a key was returned. So if I was going to take out a key, I would simply put in all the keys information, okay, and the drawer would pop open, and a little light would light up, and I would know that I have the keys to the 2019 Toyota Corolla right here, okay? And this tag right here has all the information for that key, and this key machine will say that I have this key. And not only that, a picture was taken as soon as I took that key out. So while this key is in my possession, I am responsible for this key no matter what. So if another sales consultant or someone from service needed this vehicle and I were to hand it to them, all right, in this instance, and that person was to lose this key, it wouldn't matter who lost the key or whatever, I am currently responsible for it because it's currently logged out under my name. And in the case of a replacement key, I would be financially responsible for it because I am the one who has this key, all right? So key control is of the utmost importance. Most of these keys too, okay, are not simple metal pieces that are cut that only cost $10 to $15. They're now these electronic things called iKeys, okay? And the average cost of these iKeys is anywhere from $200 to $400 each single one. So taking care of keys and make sure that we're managing and not losing them is the utmost importance. Also, leaving keys out on desks or open areas is a big no-no because what can happen is someone could pick up the key because they say they might need to show this Toyota Corolla. And if they just pick it up because you left it on your desk and you say you can't find it, again, you're the one who's responsible because it's checked out under your name in the machine. So the moral of the story here, and the most important thing I can tell you, is take care of your keys. All right? As soon as you're done with the key, put it back in the machine. And if someone needs the key from you, walk back to the machine, put it back in the machine, and have them check it out under their name. So that way you're 100% covered and you don't have to worry about possibly paying for a key that's lost because it's very expensive. All right? Good key control makes everything flow easier. And if you put all your keys back in the machine, that means that someone else, when they're looking for a key, knows exactly where it's at.
Do you like the content? Well, if you want more, then you need to sign up for Bradley On Demand, the world's best virtual training platform in the entire automotive industry. With some of the top speakers, salespeople, and trainers, and almost 7,000 training modules. You will sell more cars more often and more profitably. So sign up now at www.bradleyondemand.com.